Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to add field and how to create new subtype. Okay guys, so here two feature class is there. So in ArcMap, when you double click the on feature class, it will show fields and subtype, but here is different. So if you want add the field, click on feature class, right button, go to here design. So whatever which one you want to add, we want to add field, so click here field, then it will show the fields, how much of what type of fields is there. So you want to add the new field, see here, click to add a new field, so click here. So whatever field you require, you can type here name. So I will type here just the field name is just. See here data type, what type of you require, you can use that type. See I want to add just test type, click OK. Then so in ArcMap, once you added, then here it is showing OK button, but here is different. When you added new field and then we have to click here save, so we have to click on save button. So click on that, see applying changes. When you change this one, you have to click here. So like this we can add field. Okay guys, now I am going to show you how to create new subtype. I will click this one. So I want to add new subtype. So before like same, if you double click, it will show the subtype field names in ArcMap, but here is different. So click on feature, right button, go to design. So here we want to add a new subtype, click this one. So here it is showing how many type of subtype is there. This is the pipe, this is the PVC pipe, this is the subtype names. So you want to add the subtype, so here create or management, you have to click on that. So then it is showing the first subtype name is pipe, the code is 1, code is 2, PVC pipe, that name is here showing. So if you want to add here, you want to create new subtype, the code is 3, then here the name subtype name is pipe underscore line, then click OK. Then we have to click again here save button. Here save is showing, right? Click on that. It is now save. Like this we can create subtype. Okay guys, thank you so much.